Come on, Adrian. Knock on the door.
Go with Daddy.
Knock on the door. Knock. You want to hold this? Here.
Oh, look.
Look. What do you say? Oh, say trick or treat.
Hi.
Say trick or treat.
Say trick or treat. Oh, go get
grab
one.
something. Grab one.
Say thank
Say
you.
thank
Thank you.
Do you want a bat too? We had a party with extras.
Oh. Come on, let's go to the next house.
Okay, Stanley's close the door.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Adrian, let's go.
Say bye-bye.
She said bye-bye. Okay, let's go.
Let's go to
Let's
the
go
next
to the
house.
next house. Good job.
Good job, baby.